I have a gumball machine. I'll show you how it works. You take some change. You can get this from Walmart too. You take some change. It has to be here, so that's closed. Now you put that in. Now you go like that till it goes in. It'll be hard to push back. And then you just have to force it. Then when you let go, look at that. Loogie loogie. It's a gumball. And then it rolls all the way down. Where the heck did it go? Oh, there it is. How do you get there? Well, how it's supposed to work is you take change, keep this to here so it's closed. Now, put some change. It's hard to push. And there it is. That's how it's supposed to work. And then don't swallow gumballs. You just chew on them until they have no flavor, and then you spit them out in the garbage. I kind of accidentally dropped it on the floor, but then you just throw it in the garbage. You spit it in the garbage. So, bye. That's how you use a gumball machine from Walmart.